Welcome to Code Hacks Unlocked, where we make Python easier, faster, and more fun. In today's Python quick tip, we're mastering list comprehensions in just 2 minutes. In Python, list comprehensions are a concise way to create lists. Instead of using a for loop, you can generate a list in a single line of code. It's faster, cleaner, and more Pythonic. Here's how we traditionally create a list of squares using a for loop. We start with an empty list, loop through a range of numbers, and append the square of each number. And here's the list comprehension version. As you can see, we create the same list of squares in just one line. It's much cleaner and easier to read. Let's break it down. The general syntax of a list comprehension is expression for item in iterable. In our case, I times I is the expression, and for I in range 10 is the loop that iterates through numbers from 0 to 9. You can also add conditions to list comprehensions. For example, here's a list comprehension that only includes even numbers from a list. List comprehensions are not only shorter, but also faster than traditional loops. They are a great way to reduce the number of lines of code and make your code more Pythonic. That's your Python quick tip for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what Python tips you'd like to see next. Happy coding!